Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. If you thought this makeup is a dewy look, it's not, I'm just sweaty. So for today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to Beanie Stacy, which I'm very excited about, and this is entitled Beanie Stacy Core Moments I Think About a Lot. So this has English subtitles, so perfect for international fans as well. So yeah, I hope people are watching. Shout out to you guys. For international viewers, hi. And yeah, for my Filipino viewers, of course, hello people.
You gotta be kidding me.
Before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. It really do, and I appreciate you all guys for that. Really, I'm serious. So I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So let's start. So let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah,
Doon ko
she
nakita
is
si
very
Stacy doon.
girly.
Doon ko nakita si Stacy na pink lahat ng suot.
Naka-shorts na
From
pink,
head
damit
to
na
toe.
pink, nakatakong na pink, sasayaw kami ha. Napansin ko siya nga na bakit nga siya naka-heels sa audition. Medyo weird talaga.
Mm. She's really the Kikai of the group.
Pili ang may pinakamaraming gamit at damit na color pink.
Really gonna be Stacy. And she's
Yep,
proud of it.
that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Like she's the OOTD queen of Beanie.
Right. Stacy ko ba yan? Oh my God, di ka...
Yeah, there she is. You can easily see
I can't
Stacy.
guess who except Stacy with her pink bag
Yeah.
hostages. Stacy's
You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna be shocked if Stacy builds a house that is just full of pink or literally color pink, or even the roof is color pink. So I mean I would love to see that house of Stacy.
Stop it.
and she's still all pink with her bag yellow. Oh, love
Yeah.
princess.
It's kind of confusing for other members, but for Stacy, it's really easy to see Stacy.
Pink and pink nails. Wait, bakit ako up? And then I saw myself in the mirror. Oh, why am I looking like this? I'm so pretty now. So pretty now. Oh my sayo, B. Ano ang gagawin after ng breakup? Iiyak! Uminom! Mag-break!
Yeah, glow up is the key.
Bibigyan pa namin ng chance pa. 3, 2, 1. Ayaw lumipat, ha?
Sorry.
So, ikaw lang ang bukod takin na nag-full on makeup. Bakit?
Wala! Ang ganda niya sa stage po kasi yung mga glitters sa mata, yung smoky eyeshadow. I love that. I love fashion.
And it suits her well, really well.
Who loves Pixie Dolls, Unicorn, Barbie, Bratz, everything kami kaya. And sa mga nagsabi noon na di kaya ako wala akong mararating sa buhay, well, look at me now.
Very much successful.
Sabihin na guys, huwag kayong matakot maging kikay. Huwag kayong matakot mahalin ng color pink. Huwag kayong matakot maging katulad ko na very girly, di ba? Ang saya-saya kayo maging girly. Super!
Oh my gosh. I think this is one of the hardest part of being an idol, the interviews. Especially when you're not ready to answer any questions, or if you're not in the mood to answer any questions. Like, yeah, that mic will be hated by every member.
What's that, brother?
Oh, they're really avoiding the mic.
You'll be fine. Fine, fine, fine. F-I-N, F-I-N-E, fine. You should always be fine in what you're doing. You should never doubt yourself. You should never feel insecure about the
Yeah, Stacy is really
Always believe in
talkative.
what you're doing. Never stop believing in yourself. This is from SB19.
She literally looks like a model here. You know the runway model? Suits her. Oh my gosh.
But of course, how is it guys? 29 years of ASAP, part na kayo ng legacy ng ASAP. You are legends.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako to be part of the 29th anniversary here in ASAP Studio. Kasi naalala ko talaga 1995, nung unang beses na nag-perform.
And she stood up. She's standing up, guys.
Wait a minute.
I need this kind of friend.
Kasi, joke lang po. Ayun lang.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi? Hindi
Oh.
mo na dapat tayo umuwi sa bansang ito kasi dito tayo tumayo, dito tayo nanggaling, dito tayo magsisimula, dito pa tayo all
We say that the coconut nut is not the nut.
I bet her teachers like her so much.
Sabahan natin mga tumasyan, mga tigers, marami tayong bilang kaibigan. Hindi lang basta sa mga palisahan, para sa mga estudyante, para sa mga tao, para sa kalikasan. Maraming salamat.
I just remember that's how I answer every time there's a recitation, especially in Filipino. Like, that's the kind of answer you should do or you should give their teachers, and you need to give off a lot of confidence when giving those kind of answers, even though it's far from the question. Just be confident about it. You will get through it. I did it once. My mom even heard my answer, and my mom was like, Justin, you really did a great job on that recitation. And then I told my mom that my answer was not right, but I just pulled myself to have confidence and answer that question. Then my teacher was like, give a round of applause for Justin. I was like, woo! It only means my teacher is not listening to me. So yeah, it works, and I graduated. So. Foul. Oh my gosh. She's wearing a skirt, but yeah, she doesn't care. Lower.
Emotions! Oh my God!
Yay! She's good. She's good. Do. I can eat balut as well. The whole thing. Even the hard white thingy. It's not right. This bothered me a lot.
But it's so yummy. It has a soup. When you
Yeah.
crack the when you crack
It's basically like a chicken broth.
and then when you open the shell and then
But I've never eaten it with vinegar. Always just with salt.
But it's not. It's
What? I'm out, man.
But after being
you should ask the people. Where can I buy Dr. Quack Quack?
Dr. Kokwak it is. Chaotic life.
Mahal ka ng iba? Aminin mo! Aminin mo! Stop the car, kuya! I said stop the car! Stop the car! Mare, mag-shoot kami ng cycle sa ASAP.
She just changes moves so quick.
Manahit kayo lahat! May nagpaano. Oh my God!
A boom sent a sticker.
Oh my God! Come to Philippines! I will tour you! I will be your tour guide! Yeah.
You don't even know how to cross the streets. I don't know how to cross streets as well. So I don't even know how to ride train. And to do like most of the time basic commutes, especially when I'm not familiar with the place. I'm living here for like 9 years now, 8 years here in Tacloban, and I still don't know a lot of places.
Philippines, we believe that if it's
Rare.
raining and if it's sunny day, there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married. No, Capre, human.
I forgot the
We
English
are getting
translation
married.
of
So
Capre.
you should really come here in the Philippines so you can witness the...
Saan kayo ng diamond? Sisigaw si Stacy dito.
Ay, oo, gaga, ayun, kaya kong gawin yun. Kaya kong gawin yun. Oh my God, okay.
Diamond.
Ito na.
Is she really gonna do it?
Oh my God.
Did someone send?
Para sa inyo to, Bini. Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh.
Tan, Bini PH!
Yes, yes.
An animal, I would like to be a quokka kasi they're the happiest animal on earth. Quokka.
What is
Search it
quokka?
now, so you know.
Oh.
What is happening in this world? Ako may jowa ka dito. Ito, baby, kumakain ako.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's really good. That was all? Oh, not yet. I thought it was
Totoo
done.
ba yung multo sa PBB o sa camp o totoo yun, guys?
Why am I suddenly scared? Why? Oh no. No one's in the room with her, right? Then who was that?
Kasi, ito, ito lang. Kasi ganito yung nangyari.
She's brave.
Isang babae na nakatira sa Camp Starhan nag-video nang biglang may sumingit na kamukha di umano.
Hindi ako magkwento ng ganun.
Who though?
So, ganito na nga yung nangyari, please. Kilala niyo ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga video. Isang video na paganda. Natakot ako sa biscuit.
Look, I told you it's scary.
Natakot ako sa music.
Yes, speaking of photobombing, we experienced that, like a shadow.
When I was taking a video, I was just feeling myself. I was taking a selfie.
Yeah.
And then suddenly, a doppelganger.
That is so clear. That's just so clear.
Yeah, like I caught it
There's
on
a video.
Yeah, but I was just alone in the room. I turn around, no one's there.
Do you have a theory on what's the house?
History. There's really something inside that house.
Ayun, sinasabi nila, ako daw yung nakita nila.
Guys, if you can just see it, my hairs are standing up. That is goosebumps, literally.
And ako, hindi ako naniniwala. Nasa baba kasi kami nila Ate Colette, nagkukwentuhan kami sa baba. Tumakbo sila sa baba, tumakbo sila sa amin. Kita nga nila yung video, tapos sabi nila, Coach Reden, pinaprank nilang kami, hindi kami naniniwala. Ako daw kasi yung nasa video. Sabi ko, paano mangyayari yun? Kasama ko nga si Ate Colette. Ayaw nilang maniwala talaga. So, chinek nila yung CCTV. Kala Kuya Islam at Coach Reden if lang paprank ba. Since ako lang po yung tao sa closet namin, nasa baba ako.
Oh my gosh, this is
Nakita
so
nila sa
scary to
CCTV yun.
think about.
Pero naman kasi talaga sa camp, kaya...
Look, she's scared. I'm scared as well, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Bakit ganon? Bakit saka sila umalis nung mag-isa na ako dito magla-live?
That was a real scream. I don't wanna see it. Okay. Oh, thank you for making that video. Oh my gosh, you scared the shit out of me. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. I'm scared right now, actually. So, I might need a break before the second video, but yeah, I'm still gonna do it. So, thank you guys for watching. That's it for the video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!